Mark, do you wanna find the blacksmith? Come on and do a let's play. I never see you anymore. Come on and find me, instead you gone away. We used to be best buddies in our life. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna find the blacksmith? Oh, the crazy box ever. Go away, Tony Boxton. Okay, bye. Mark, do you wanna find the blacksmith? Or carry me around the hall? I think some company is overdue. I started talking to the picture on the wall. Hanging there's me to Weber Daggerman Jensen. It's a little lonely, all these pile of boxes just watching the hours tick by. Mark? Yes, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. They say the nurse has gone mad. And I'm right here for you, just let me in. We only have each other, it's you and me. What are we gonna do? Wanna find the blacksmith?
Hello. I wanted to say a few things before this video ended. So first thing is that I recorded myself with this headphone because it has a mic, and don't expect any high quality on this, so you had to bear with me on that one. And second of all, I hope you guys like my video. And third, you had to see where the camera is standing. You know, you can see it. It's standing on top of a book. How awesome is that? I don't know what else to say, so if you have any idea you want to tell me of making a video, contact. And I forgot to mention that I'm not a professional singer, if you had noticed. So that's it. So